Monster Energy Supercross is back, celebrating 50 years of the sport, and appropriately, we're in Southern California, Anaheim. It's time for the one and only A1.
What? Dude, the dragon's gone just like that.
Thieves didn't tell you yesterday?
Where do you want to go? Start? Let's go to start. It was honestly too easy and too flat. Like it wouldn't have lasted, it would have been blown out.
Eli Tomac!
What's up, buddy? You ready to rip today? Yeah. All right.
Can you sign my hat too?
Yeah, dude.
Thank you.
Okay, got it.
But I don't have a pen.
Here, I'm gonna borrow your pen, buddy.
What do you say, Cole?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun out there, guys. Yeah. Just doubling. Then just literally doubling over
Oh, it's jumping to there or the far one?
to there. I feel like if you could just, if you can't make it to the shelf, you could just huck out to the base of this and then just
Jump to there.
jump to that. Like treat it as a quad, like a table quad.
And then could you get a 3?
And then you'd go
one?
3-1
Yeah.
if you can't make it to the shelf. For sure you could do that.
Dude, I bet you could go to the inside, wheelie that thing, and jump to here.
Maybe.
Like a wheelie seat. It'd be okay.
I think it was like Arlington or something. And we were able to do it for like 3 laps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the rut went
And the rut went away. See how like mellow this stuff is?
Yeah.
It's super laid down.
Like if you do what you were talking about and go 3 to there, it's kind of like a ski to try to go 3 again to a hole.
Still though, you're gonna get, if you could actually do it, you're gonna get so much speed jumping over that huge hole versus going on and off.
Versus going outside.
I tried it a couple times.
Yeah. I
Seen
just
a clock
think
it.
Because of it's pretty good distance to that turn. I
Yeah,
wouldn't underestimate outside and even outside again over there.
it's rolling speed. And then you're not dinking with the edge of your tire. There was a little rut.
Here,
Yeah, a little mini rut. You can kind of see it.
I can split that too.
Yeah, we'll just,
Up to a time. Got to get it off that. Coming in that.
Of racing right at A1. Sun is shining.
What do we got here? Let's see this thing.
See this thing right here. Show him. Show him what
How was your Christmas? Did Santa Claus bring you some cool stuff? Nice.
What's up, dude?
what's up, man?
Riley.
Eli.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Big fan. Thanks for
Heck yeah,
taking some
man.
time.
Have you been out to one of these before?
No. Nope.
All right.
A little bit different. First time, yeah. I'm excited to watch
Sweet.
you.
Should be
all good?
good stuff.
Yeah.
I'll have to go watch you too.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let me get a picture of you guys. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Cool.
Nice to
All
meet
right,
you.
see ya.
Glad you're back. So happy you're back.
Yeah, so I think so far the day's been going really good. Cooper's riding awesome, Justin's riding really good. Eli's just getting back in the groove of the thing on racing, and I think being back at the track, it was a lot, and it's coming. Every practice is showing and showing. I think by the night time we should be good. So
Any major changes you guys had to make on the bikes or with anybody? Or
nope,
anything?
we showed up and haven't changed a single thing since.
That's where you'll be showering later.
Nice. You're excited for that?
Yep. How's the day been? Good? How are you?
Never feels like it's been a year.
I know.
Crazy how fast it goes.
I know. Especially when you're doing this. A month is like, oh, see you tomorrow. Was it slow when you weren't doing much? Just chilling?
It was like a little bit of both. But still, it's just like, it just flies.
Yeah. Who's your Tupity class top 3?
Oh, who is it?
Yeah. RJ, Levi, no, RJ Smith, no, RJ Thrasher Smith. I kind of want to put Levi in there, but dude, I don't know. If Smith stays upright, he's on the podium.
Are you ready? It's A1. Let's go racing for the new year. And Jordan Smith gets a flyer of a start on that Monster Energy Yamaha for Star Racing.
That's right, so it's going to be Robson. Maybe Marsha does it again.
He is back. ET3, the champ. Yes, he's living in rarefied air with the likes of the man sitting beside me, James Stewart, and Ricky Carmichael and Jeremy McGrath. It's 450 time. Drop the gate. Let's go. without a wheel now.
That much.
So, Rich, you want that event to come back to pick up the track?
It was good. You know, the whole team, we worked really hard this year on, you know, bike setup, starts, and the starts are paying off. My once you start racing Yamaha, got off to a great start both races today. And put in a good moto, but yeah, it was fun, and I can't thank everyone enough.
Two-time champ Eli Tomac on the 3. He's ready to take the fight. This is Anaheim. Let's do it 2024 style. Here comes Eli aboard that world-famous number 3 inside.
But yeah, Eli Tomac, something must have happened with him to get a really bad start. Let's see how far he can climb up in this thing, ladies. We kind of expect that he's been off for a long time, so maybe physically we know how hard Eli Tomac works, so this might be just racing and stuff back in shape, but he might be a little disappointed if that's the case.
And Eli only got back on the bike late last year and then started doing Supercross in about November, so it's still part of the comeback trail and the comeback story.
I mean, we're coming out of A1 healthy. You can either win or completely throw it away. So we're coming out of A1 okay. You know, wasn't the best day, wasn't the worst. We good free practice, and then just throughout the day, just struggled a little bit with comfortability, and feel like we made progress. And then come main event time, we just weren't 100%. So yeah, we're still healthy. We'll move on and we'll go to San Francisco.
Yeah, I think today, you know, the result people are gonna say that's not the result we were looking for, but for us and Eli, I think it was just a building race. See where we are. He hasn't raced in a long time, and throughout the day we got better and better and better. We got some things to go to work on this week, but we'll come back strong for San Francisco.